Hello everybody and welcome to OG WebWiz. My name is Julian and today I'm going to show you how to search for a domain. So you can go to www.ogwebwiz.com and it will take you to our advanced hosting plan page. From there, you can actually click this column right here. But for this purpose, we're going to quickly open this drop-down menu and show you that we have over 100 TLDs that are available to you. So based on where you live and based on your company, you will be able to choose the TLD that's best suited for you. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to find the .com, which we already know is populated, but if we scroll down, we can find it, click it. Then you can choose your domain. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to do ABC domain search.com, as I know that this is already available. So if I hit go, it's going to populate that it is available. It'll show up in green and say register. So if we go mydomainsearch.com and we hit enter, this one is going to show in red as transfer. What this means is mydomainsearch.com is already registered and owned by somebody else. So if you are the one that owns this domain, you can transfer it by acquiring your EEP, which is a specific code that allows you to transfer a secure domain to another hosting plan. That's all for today. Smash that like button and subscribe, as we will have more videos coming in the near future.